5 tips for new drivers. Autodoc tips. Check your vehicle's condition before driving. Check your car and parking space before driving. Spots of oil, antifreeze and other technical fluids are signs of leaks in the vehicle's components. If there's a leak, you need to find the cause. At the same time, inspect the car body for damage. The earlier you identify the problem, the easier it will be to fix. Listen for strange noises in the car. If you prefer driving with music, turn it off at least once a day while driving and listen to the sounds your car makes. In a tunnel or along a wall or fence that echoes the sounds of a moving car would be a good place for checking. Lower the window. If besides wheel noises you hear some strange noises, it's time to check your vehicle's condition. Remember, it's cheaper to fix a problem early on than when it becomes worse. Watch your seatbelt when getting out of the car. When closing the car door, make sure the seatbelt and latch are not caught in the door opening. This can damage the seatbelt as well as the door and B-pillar. A bit of attention and care can help you avoid car body repairs. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Use all your interior rear view mirrors functions. For safe nighttime driving, the interior rear view mirror is equipped with a day and night mode switch. Turn the night mode on to activate the additional reflector that diffuses the bright light from the headlights of the car behind. In many premium cars, this adjustment is made automatically thanks to an electrochromic mirror and light sensor. Prevent your car windows from fogging up. Fogged up windows increase the risk of accidents. This often happens due to the cabin air filter not being replaced in time. When used for too long, the filter becomes clogged and loses its throughput capacity. In addition, it absorbs moisture, becoming a source of increased humidity in the cabin. You can enhance your driving visibility by replacing your cabin filter in time and using anti-fog agents on the windows.